Very good morning, all of you. Good morning, dear. Good morning. सौरभ, अभी मैंने शुरू ही नहीं किया। मैंने अभी चैप्टर शुरू ही नहीं किया, तो आप क्या बोल रहे हो? आपको पहले ऐसा था? ओके, अगर पहले ऐसा था तो अब इट विल क्लियर, माय गारंटी। ओके, हाँ, okay guys, very good morning to all of you. And so, as we discussed in last session, in this chapter, the general weightage is around 6 to 8 marks, and they are asking the question about the valuation of inventory. There are different by which it should be valued. Okay, so that we are going to understand, that we are going to start different methods in which we have to value the inventory. The inventory valuation, our simple formula is, as you know, cost or NRV, whichever is less, right? Cost or NRV, whichever is less. NRV will be given in a question, but cost we need to find out, right? And this chapter teaches how we should find out the cost of inventory, how we should find out the closing stock. And as we discussed in last session, there are two types in which we can maintain inventory records: periodic and perpetual. In periodic, book records, registers are not maintained, so we have to depend on the physical counting. But in perpetual inventory recording system, absolutely all ledgers, all column, all calculations, all registers are maintained. And therefore, this perpetual method is far better compared to periodic, because we are able to control the inventory theft issues and losses and abnormal problems. And आज के जमाने में जहां पर सारी चीजें ऑटोमेट चल रही है, आज के जमाने में जहां सॉफ्टवेयर्स आर इनएविटेबल इन एनी वर्क, then naturally being inventory being a important part of our entire business process, majorly we are following perpetual inventory record system. That is, all registers are maintained. All registers are maintained. Okay, fine. So guys, in last session, we have understood first of all this basic formula, basic valuation criteria, which is a part of many other chapter also, like final account. Even in consignment, you are following the same concept. Then valuation, friends. In valuation, there is a inventory record system which we are talking about. Periodic inventory system, as we understood. Here, physical counting of stock plays an important part. And this is also we discussed in last session. Perpetual inventory system in which we are recording the transactions. We have a registers, we have a record. So we have book record. And this is the difference between these two. The first is this system is based on physical verification, as we discussed, because in periodic inventory, they don't prepare any ledgers, registers, and accounts. In perpetual, they are keeping book records, so it's a better. Inventory control possible and not possible. You know, periodic, you don't have any ledgers, you don't have any book, you don't have any register. So actually, you don't know how much closing stock should lie in my godown. As on 31st March 2022, you have some stock, but as you are not keeping any record, you don't know how much actually closing stock should be. So whatever physical counting says, okay, if you are doing a business of, say, for example, dry fruits, okay, or a chair, and then you don't know that, okay, in my godown as on 31st March 2022, there are 1000 kg of dry fruit is there, or there are 100 chairs are there. So you accept it as if it is correct, and you don't have any option because you don't maintain any inventory records and register. So physical counting is a final conclusion. But in perpetual, you have a ledgers, you have a book records, you have a registers, you have a softwares, and therefore you know that, sir, in my godown, if I am dealing in dry fruits, sir, I should have 1100 kg should be in my closing stock. Or if you are dealing with a chair, 105 chair should be in my closing stock. Should be. Now that your book stock, you will compare with the physical stock, and if difference is there, it is a shortage, it's abnormal loss, it's a theft, it's a malpractice, and you will have a control over that because you have book records. So you can now easily understand, in periodic, such control is not possible. In perpetual, such control is possible. And number six is here, simple and expensive. It's a costly naturally because you are running with softwares and some expert person. And now, guys, how to value the closing opening stock. Okay. So in the first chart, these are the formulas, guys, in this chapter, what we are learning. FIFO, LIFO, and weighted average. And the fourth one is adjusted selling price. These four methods we will complete today. These four methods we will complete today. FIFO, LIFO, weighted average, and adjusted selling price. Okay. Now started with FIFO method. The name itself suggests it is first in, first out method. First in, first out method. That is whatever stock we have purchased first will be issued first. It's a very logical method. Okay, जो stock आपने पहले purchase किया है वो आप पहले issue करोगे. So I can say we will go date wise. the order in which, the sequence in which stocks are purchased, stock will issue in a same sequence. Stock will issue in a same sequence. Okay. Say for example, on 1st of August, I purchase 100 units at the rate 10 rupees. 100 units at the rate 10 rupees. On 2nd August, I purchase 200 units at 11 rupees. Now on 3rd August, I want to sell, I want to issue 250 units. Okay, so I have two lot, 100 lot of 10 rupees each, 200 lot of 11 rupees each. Now the confusion is that, sir, I will issue 250 units. I will sell 250 units. Okay, I will issue. Physically, I will issue from my godown. But how should I maintain, register and record? Sir, I have 100 plus 200. I have 300 boxes. From 300 boxes, I am selling 250. So, sir, these are similar boxes. Okay, say for example, chair. Okay, I have a similar size chair of 300 in my godown. Out of 300, 100 chair I purchase at 10 and 200 chairs I purchase at 11. From this 300 I sold out 250 chair. This all chairs are similar size, similar color, everything is similar. So sir, from this hodgepodge of 300, which 250 I have issued price wise? Then FIFO method says, okay dear, first in first out. So first you issue 100 chair of rupees 10 each, and remaining 150, because you want to issue 250 chairs, right? So 100 will be gone at 10 rupees per share per price, and remaining 150 we will issue of the 11 rupees. So first we purchase 10 rupees, then we purchase 11 rupees. So first 10 rupees will go first in, first out. First in, first out. The order in which we have purchased, in the same order we will sell or issue. And so you can understand, sir, if I issue 100 chair of 10 rupees each, then remaining 150 I will issue from 11 rupees. So as on 3rd August closing stock, I have 50 chair and my cost price is 11. So I can say earlier price has been issued and latest price is in closing stock. 10 वाला स्टॉक इश्यू कर दिया, 10 वाला स्टॉक इश्यू कर दिया, 11 वाला बचा है. So earlier purchase has been gone and latest purchase is in closing stock. Latest purchase is in closing stock. And logically, guys, more or less all business follow the same method for logics, and even in perishable items, this method is by default, because otherwise you will at a loss. So this is a simple called FIFO method. FIFO method. And what a small short note, if we want to write 3 sentences on this, then we can say like this. We can say like this. It means inventory will be issued in the same order in which it is purchased. So generally, latest purchase will be in a closing stock. It means cost of issue or COGS will be earlier purchase or old purchase. So old purchase will be issued and latest purchase will be in a closing stock. So I hope this is a simple thing to understand, right? Nothing much difficult in this. Okay. And now we have to start question of the same. Questions of the same. Thank you, Kaushal. I am getting some doubts. dear, either you ask doubts at the end of session or in a break, right? Or you can mail me. Ananya, I have completed depreciation in my previous sessions. You can check out the YouTube videos, and if any doubt, you can mail me. Ramandeep Kaur, I did the same thing. Okay, so let's start illustrations. Now, friend, see illustration number second. Okay, illustration number second. A manufacturer has the following record of purchase. So, guys, you have first purchase on December 4. You have first purchase on December 4. Then you have a second purchase on December 10, then 11, then 19 and 28. So total you have a 5 purchases. Okay, total you have a 5 purchases. Different quantity and different rates. Now what this small illustration says, 1600 units have issued during the month of December till 18th. Till 18th. So they have issued 1600 units. So it's a FIFO method, friend. So what we learn, sir, goods will be issued in the same order in which purchase. The goods which are purchased first will be issued first. So if till 18th, okay, if till 18th I want to issue 1600 units, then I will start with the first purchase. So first I will issue this 900 because FIFO method is here. Then I will issue this 400 and then I will issue this 300. So 900 plus 400 plus 300, total I issue 1600. So it means at the end of month, the last purchases, clear it guys? The last purchases will be in my closing stock because initial purchase has been issued. So these two last purchases will be in my closing stock. So I will have a closing stock of 1000 units, out of which 200 has a purchase price of 60 and 800 has a purchase price of 47. The same has been explained over here, guys. So my closing stock will be this. My closing stock will be this. This is as per simple FIFO method. This is as per simple FIFO method. लेकिन इतना easy नहीं पूछेंगे. Right? This is the first question, though, so it's damn easy, but they will give you different dates of issue. And if it is to be done, then we need to prepare a statement, a register called inventory register, and we have to find out the closing stock. So the second is LIFO method, but this we will do afterwards. But in LIFO method, there is a question number 3. And what they said, in the previous example, assume that following issue were made during the month of December. Okay, so guys, see here in question number 2, we are issuing 1600 units, right? Here the different dates are given. On which different dates this 1600 units has been issued. And if I am given this date of issue, so guys, in a totality, if we can say, sir, first I was given date of purchases, right? This table is regarding date of purchases. So see, you can simply say, guys, understand the concept. Sir, I have purchased 2600 units at different 5 dates. Out of this 2600 which were on different dates, sir, I am issuing 1000 units on different dates. So guys, it's very simple to understand. 2600 are purchase units minus 1600 are issue units. So my closing stock will be 1000 units. It's a very simple to understand. But the point is that, sir, in this 1000 units, which units having which price will be part of this closing stock? So basically, guys, this FIFO, LIFO, average, which 4 methods we are learning today, which we will complete today, write one small note in your notebook. See, everything I will not tell you to write. I told you in last session, don't expect a spoon feeding from me, right? Sir, आप सब कुछ बोलो, हम लिखेंगे, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता dear. It's a professional examination, and therefore thoda bahut you should take initiative, right? Okay, if I will show everything on screen, if I speak everything what you should write, then you will have never confidence. So you need to write a one sentence. I will not write this sentence in my PPT or Word file. I will not share PDF of this particular one sentence, but it is important sentence and simple, you can understand. So write in a notebook. First listen. 2600 minus 1600, so 1000 units of closing stock that you can easily understand without touch the calculator, right? So this 5 methods what we are learning today are not to decide what will be the closing stock units. Yeah, closing stock units I can do from simple calculation. For that I don't need any method. Then why this methods are required? This method are required to understand, sir, 1000 closing stock will be there, I understand, but I need bifurcation of this 1000. Sir, which price stock will be in a closing stock? And if I say I am following FIFO method, so I know that old price will have been issued. So in my 1000 closing stock, latest purchase price stock will be part of closing stock. Latest purchase price closing stock will be part of closing stock. It means, to be precise, these 5 methods are to decide purchase price, or you can say price of closing stock, not a quantity. Quantity we can find out simply on simple calculation. For that we don't require any register. Why? We are preparing these registers which you will see after 1 minute. Why? Because, sir, we know the quantity 1000, but in this 1000 which price quantity will be available, which price quantity will be part of closing stock, what is the bifurcation of this 1000? For that we are preparing the register. Okay, and now guys, in question number 3, it is LIFO method, but for the better understanding we will do the same question by first FIFO method, and this is the register which we are supposed to prepare. So guys, this is as per LIFO, but first let's do this question with FIFO method. Okay, so guys, write down in your notes book, guys, illustration number 2. We are doing with FIFO method. With FIFO method. So this is 1 as well as 2. So guys, and please write everything. Okay. If you don't write questions and answers, if you don't write answers with me, then you will never understand account. Never. स्टूडेंट का सबसे बड़ा माइनस पॉइंट गिनो के गलती गिनो यही होती है कि दे जस्ट रीड, they just listen to faculty, they don't write with faculty, they take screenshot or they just listen. You have to write, friends. If you don't write with me, then there is no point that you will able to understand. So my humble request, write everything with me. You can write like a rough work, it's fine, you can understand. I don't say कि आप पूरा लेजर बनाओ, टू एंड बाय एंड सब कुछ लिखो, टोटल करो. करो तो अच्छी बात है, it's fine, but still you should write. If you write, then your mind will apply. If you just see, just listen to me, I think the effectiveness will be not as much as what it should be. Okay guys, I hope you have prepared this, and now we are starting how it is solved. Can we start, guys? Okay. So now, friend, question, and we will start step by step in this ledger. Okay. So guys, first you have to compare the dates. Okay, you have to compare the dates. So guys, the first issue is on December 5, right? The first issue is on December 5, right? And if you see the purchases, guys, the first purchase on December 4, we have to go date wise. So we have to start with December 4, 950. This is the purchase quantity and rate. So what here we'll write? 4 by 12, 950, 45,000. Simple, guys. $950 and 45,000. Simple. Now, on this date, we are not issuing anything. On this date, we are not issuing anything. So we can say in a closing stock, the same units will be in my closing stock, friend. Yes. In my closing stock, the same will be in my closing stock. Okay. Then After 4, if you see guys, after 4, the next purchase, the first purchase we have taken, the next purchase is on 10th. The next purchase is on 10th. But the next issue is on 5th, guys. So logically, we need to go by dates. So we have to take December 5th here, right? December 5th here. We are issuing 500 units. So 5 by 12, there is no purchase, but we are issuing 500 units. Guys, I have only one balance available, this, right? I have only one lot available. So I have to issue from that lot only 50, 50. So it is 25,000, simple. Quantity into rate. So now guys, see very carefully guys. From this 900, we have issue 500, simple. From this 900, we have issue 500. So what remains? 450, that is 20. Clear guys? Simple. मोहम्मद लाइन छोड़ना है नहीं छोड़ना है वो सब आपको एग्जाम में चेक करने का. ओके, इफ यू वांट अ clear preparation, you can skip one line, don't worry. These are very small matter, right? You can do at your own dear. Fine. Okay, let's go the next point. Let's go to next point. After 5th, guys, once again, if you go to question, okay, now after 5th, the issue is on 20. Okay, but the next purchase is on 10 and 11, guys. So I can say this 3 purchase I have to write 10, 11, 19. This 3 purchase I have to write because my issue, okay, my next issue is on 20, right guys? 20. So all the dates which are before 20, so 10, 11, 19, I have to write purchase. Clear guys? 10, 11, 19, I have to write my purchases. So let's start with 10th, 455. $455, so 22,000. No issue. No issue, guys. So now I have 2 different lots. Now I have 2 different lots. Sir, this 400 I have available. So I will copy paste the same. I will copy paste the same. And this new I have purchased. So now I have two lots. Now I have two lots. 400 which I purchase in 50 and remaining 400 which I purchase at 55. Okay. Let's go to 11. 11 I purchased 300 units at 55. Done. So now I have four. This is I already have two lots. 400, 400. I have already there. One more I purchase. One more I purchase. So now I have three lots. After 11, 19, 260. Yes, guys. So I have three lots already. I have three lots already. And one more lot I am adding. So now I have four lots. Now I have four lots. We should not 400, 300 guys. We should make it separate, better. If same date, first purchase, then sale. Okay, friend. And now if you see the question, friends, after 19th purchase, what we have done, we have issue, right? We have issue on December 20. It is of 600 units. It is of 600 units. Now, friend, I have to issue on 2010. I have to issue 600. Method is what, guys? Method is FIFO. Method is FIFO. So I will start from this 400, right? I will start from this 400. Okay. So first I will issue this 400. I have to issue total 600, friend. Okay. So remaining I will issue from this. Remaining I will issue from this. right? Remaining I will issue from this. So 400 and 200 I will issue from this. Clear, friend? Very clear, simple. So now what will be in my closing stock? Guys, this 400 is completely gone. This 400 is completely gone. So I can say from the first lot, nothing pending. Okay. From this 400 second lot, I have issued 200. So I can say I have remaining 200. Price is 55,000. So 11,000, guys. And these two lots are unused. So I can simply copy and paste. Simply copy and paste. So guys, this is FIFO method what we are doing. I hope it is clear, guys. Okay. I hope it is clear. So from first 400, it is issued completely. From second 400, 200 is gone. So remaining 200 is in stock. And last two are unused. So last two automatically will be in the closing stock. Simple. I will repeat one more time. It's not that much difficult, guys. It's a just sequence wise what we are doing. I hope it is clear. Can we go further, friends? Yes, Nital, naturally. Naturally. Isha and Deepak, write in your answer how much we are issuing on 20. Fadafat, Nita and Deepak, tell me how much units we are issuing. Be fast. Manish also. Manas, whatever. एकता, we are doing with FIFO method. आपको method तक नहीं पता, dear. ऊपर लिखा है मैंने heading में. We are doing with FIFO method. You are watching book answer. Why you are watching book answer? I don't understand. They have done LIFO method. We are doing FIFO method. If you compare this every time, you will not understand, dear. Yeah. So we are on 20th, we are issuing 600 units. Now after 19th purchase, we have 4 lots. 400, 400, 300, 200. So first lot will be issued first. So if I want to issue 600, I will first use first wale 400. Okay. So 50 वाले 400 पूरे यूज कर दिए और जो 55 वाले 400 थे उसमें से 200 यूज किए बिकॉज मुझे 600 चाहिए. तो जब मैं क्लोजिंग स्टॉक लिखूंगा तो फर्स्ट 450 वाले इज कंप्लीटली इश्यूड एंड 55 वाले 400 में से आई हैव इश्यूड 200. So remaining 200 is in stock and last two lot I have never used. So same will be continue in my closing stock. I hope now it is clear. So there were 2C students who has a doubt how it is issue. I hope now it is clear, right? We have to continue till the last date. The last date given in question. Okay, guys. I hope there were 2-3 students जिनको 20th का नहीं पता चला था. I have explained second time, third time. Thank you, Saurabh. Okay, so now we can go further. Okay. Okay, guys, let's go further. Fine. After 20, we need to go by dates. Okay, after 19th, okay, after 20, the next purchase is on 28, right? And issue is on 29. So we need to add first purchase, okay? Because 28 is purchase, 29 is issue. So purchase of 800 into 47. 800 into 47. 28, 12, 847. So 800 into 47, that is 37,600. No issue. This 3, okay, this 3 I have to continue as it is. This 3 I have continued as it is. And now I have one more purchase, one more stock in my godown. Fourth one. So now I have fourth difference, fourth. Okay. And last is 29, friends. Okay, after 28, 29. This is my last purchase. So all purchases are over, guys. 29, 500. I'm issuing 500. Okay, guys. So if I want to issue 500 and my method is FIFO, first in first out, जो first आया उसको पहले issue करेंगे. So can you tell me, guys, how should I issue? In which sequence should I issue? Which quantity I will issue first? If I want to issue 500, which lot I will use for issue? Method is FIFO. Method is FIFO. Yes, guys. Yes, friends. 29, I want to issue 500. So which units will I use? Yes, sir, it's a FIFO method, sir. It's a FIFO method. So, sir, I have to first use this 200, right? This 200. 200, 50, 11,000. Then I will use this 300. 300, 55, 16,500. So 500 is over, guys. So 500 is over. Okay. 500 is over. Now what will be in a closing stock? First lot is gone. Second lot is gone. And this 2 lots are saved as it is. This 2 lots are same as it is. And this is my final closing stock. This is final closing stock. Navneet, first purchase, then sale. Then guys, I hope it is clear. Can we go further? Can we start next method called LIFO method? The little bit opposite of this. Yes, the cost of closing stock will be 49600, 1000 units. और एग्जाम में आपको ऐसा ही लिखना है. हेलो, अब okay. So guys, the total closing stock is 1000 and total cost is, you are right, 49600. Perfect. Okay guys, now we can start LIFO. Like this, Ritika, Rahul, you have to do like this only. Okay. The same format, what you can see on screen. Okay, guys. Now, question number C, 3. And this 3 we are doing with LIFO method. This 3 now we are doing with LIFO method. Okay. Using LIFO method, right? So the format of register will remain same. But now the issue will be from the latest purchases. Okay. Latest purchases. So how it will be done? LIFO method. Now, it means inventory will be issued in the reverse order in which it is purchased. It means latest purchase goods will be issued first. Simple, guys. Latest purchase goods will be issued first. Then guys, Okay. So what first we will do, friends? The first we will have to prepare same table. We will have to prepare same table, but now as per LIFO. So please prepare the same table. Same table, but now as per the LIFO. Vanashri, how we conclude? You should conclude in the same way. And you can write at last, जैसे मैंने बोला, closing stock 1000 and total cost 49600. Okay, nothing else. Okay, guys. Now, without wasting a moment, let's start it. Now, friend, the first 3 points, what we conclude. See, this is FIFO method. Let's do the smart work, right? I can say till this point in LIFO method also answer will remain same. Okay, I can say till this point FIFO LIFO will remain same. Can you tell guys how till this point FIFO or LIFO will remain same? Why? Either I follow FIFO method or LIFO method, it will remain same till this point. Can you tell me why, guys? Why it will remain same? It is FIFO method, right? But till this point it will remain same. Till this point it will remain same. Any idea why, guys? LIFO method, till this point everything will remain same. Any idea why it will remain same? That is correct. So there are two purchases. What Anushka not purchased? There are two purchases. You can see there are two purchases. Yes, because there is only one purchase, sir. All are correct almost, sir, and only one purchase. If there is only one purchase, okay, then sir, there is no point I will issue further lot, latest lot, only one purchase. So I can say till this point it will remain same. So I can just do the copy paste, guys, right? Till this point it will remain same because only one purchase, only one lot. either FIFO LIFO doesn't make any sense, right guys? That is correct. Now you are correct guys. So यहां से यहां मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा, सिर्फ कॉपी पेस्ट करूंगा. Yes guys, simple. Okay, fine friend. So 10th, I reach up to 10th. Now tell me guys, after 10th, how many purchases and how many issues? So 10th के बाद क्या रहा है? Purchase के issue क्या रहा है? 10th के बाद, 10th के बाद when purchase and when issue. Tell me guys, 10th के बाद when purchase, when issue. What is the date structure? 10th के बाद guys, 10th के बाद 10th के बाद when purchase, when issue. डेट बताओ अनन्या, डेट नॉट 3 2 1. 10 के बाद when purchase, when issue. when मतलब dates. when purchase, when issue. Sir, 11th and 19th purchase and 20 issue. 11th and 19th purchase and then issue. So guys, can I tell you simply a shortcut? See guys, remember carefully. I explain this methods. What I explain, if you recall my words, क्या समझाया मैंने कि ये मेथड्स किस चीज के लिए है? फीफो लिफो में कहां फर्क आता है? Which this method are to decide what? Tell me guys, what I taught you. This methods are decide what? This methods are decide what? दोनों में क्या difference है? This method are decide what? Why this methods? What is the reason why we using this method? This method are to decide what? What we understood? This method are FIFO LIFO both method बोल रहा हूं मैं. Both this method are for what we are using. उससे क्या मिलता है? क्या हम नक्की करते हैं? दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? What we are using. Yes, this method are used to decide issue price. To decide issue price. Yes. To decide issue price. To decide issue price. To decide issue price. And therefore, if there is no issue till 28th, so I can say this guys, sir, 11th purchase, 19th purchase, issue is on 20. So till 20, my answer will remain same. Till 20, I will have to do same as, because receipts are there. There is no issue, receipts are there. Simply I can copy paste. Simply I can copy paste. Yeah. Simply I can copy paste. So I can do like this, friend. I can do like this. Sir, this 11th and 19th, sir. 11, 19 are your purchase. 1119 are your purchase. 20 your issue. So I can say, sir, keep it as it is. I can simply say copy and paste because sir, it's a purchase. परचेज से कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. चेंज कहां से आएगा? जब हम इश्यू करेंगे. So 1119 we are not issuing, we are purchasing. It will remain same, sir. It will remain same. Just do copy paste, sir. Don't worry about this. It will remain same. Because we are not issuing anything. So till 19, it will remain same. Clear, guys? Yes? Till 19 copy paste. That is fine. Okay, 20th issue. Now I have to issue, guys. How much units I am issuing on 20th? Sir, we are issuing on 28th 600 units. 600 units. So can you tell me, guys, in the 600, which unit I will use? In the 600, which units I will use? Yes, friend. Which units we will issue? It's a LIFO method. Starting from latest. Starting from latest. Starting from latest. Which units we will issue? Latest purchase, yes, but which? Tell me the bifurcation. Which we will issue? Perfect, guys. We can freeze like this. Sir, first we will issue this 200, right? Okay. So then we will issue this 300. And sir, now we will need only 100. This 100 from this, guys. This 100 from this, right? We need only 100 because we need 600. Okay, we need 600. Okay. So I can say, sir, in closing stock, last lot is 0. Second last lot is also 0. Okay. Third last, these two are 0. From this, sir, we have issue 100. From this 400, we have issued 100. So second lot, I have 300 remaining now. And the first will be as it is. Okay. So this last two lots are completely exhaust. Last two lots are completely exhaust. From the second lot, 400, we have issued 100. So now remaining 300. And the first lot remains same. I hope it is clear, guys. Thank you, Arun. Yes, guys. I hope it is clear, guys. Thank you, Saurabh. अनन्या वही किया है, देखो आप वही किया है. ठीक है, मैंने वही किया जो आप बोल रहे हो. Thank you, Ashdeep. Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you, Saurabh. Srinidhi, I think 8 marks, 10 marks, depend on size of question. Okay. Now let's move further, friend. So we reach up to 20. We reach up to 20. Now after 20, it's a purchase, guys. After 20, it's a purchase. On 28, okay. On 28, we are purchasing 800 into 7. Three 7600. No issue. So this two lot will be as it is copied, guys, and third lot will be added. So this 3 lot we will have. Okay, guys. And now we can freeze the last one. Last one, friend. 29. 29. How many units we are issuing? We are issuing 500 units, guys. Right, guys? Now, guys, this is a LIFO method. So can you tell me from where we will issue this 500? LIFO method. From where we will issue this 500? Okay, Nava, I will do. Asha, how it will be same? Quantity will be same, but rate will differ. Yes, guys. So 500 will be from this 47, guys, from the last lot. from the last lot, right? So in closing stock, guys, first two lot will remain same. Okay. And from this 800, we issue 500. So we will have 300. Done, guys? I can see everyone's answer. Siddhi, everyone's. Don't worry. Thank you, Srinidhi. Done, friends? So whatever total of these three, whatever total of these three, whatever total of these three will be your total closing stock, right, guys? Now, friend, so you can say the total of these three, right? The total of these three, here it is there, 50600. The answer will be 50600. Okay. Now it's a small calculation. It's a not that much important, guys. What they are saying, if they are following periodic inventory, if they are following periodic inventory, it means such registers are not maintained. Such registers are not maintained. Okay. And guys, if such register is not maintained, then you can say logically, okay, such register is not maintained. Periodic means registers are not maintained. Then simple we can say, sir, my units will be 1000. It's clear. Closing stock units will be 1000. Okay. How it 1000? I have explained you. Okay. 1600 we are issuing. Okay. And 2600 we are purchasing. So 1000 it will be there. But if you are following periodic inventory system, means you are not maintaining any register, any such ledgers, column, nothing. So what the only way which remains in your understanding is only one small point. Sir, 2600 we have purchased, and as we have purchased, we know the purchase price. Okay, because we have a bill, we have invoices. Sir, out of this we have issued 1600. So 1000 closing stock, and because a more logic is that we can say, sir, I understand my last purchase will be in stock. We are assuming. We don't have any register, we don't have any ledgers, but we'll assume. So if it is said that if you don't prepare this type of registers and ledgers, then you have only one option, that, sir, my 1000 will include my latest two purchase, and therefore answer will be like FIFO 49600. Okay, But when we are using periodic inventory valuation, मतलब we don't have such type of register, columns, row, कुछ नहीं बनाया, हमने एक record नहीं रखा, तो हमें assume करना पड़ेगा कि सर पहले वाले स्टॉक इश्यू कर दिए होंगे, तो ये 1000 जो बचे ना सर वो लेटेस्ट वाले हैं. So you can say this answer is same as FIFO, because FIFO we are maintaining this like only. So this periodic inventory valuation is out of dated guys. मैंने बता ही दिया. It's not at all useful because आज के जमाने में everybody uses softwares and ledgers and various good Excel sheets and everything. So this is just for information. This is not important at all. फिर भी मैंने समझा दिया कि if periodic is to be followed, then above register is not maintained. So we can simply say, sir, 1000 will be contained my latest purchase, and therefore my closing stock would have been 49600. Okay, guys. Now, if you see the FIFO method or a LIFO method, right? Both the methods we have prepared the ledgers. You can understand that, sir, in both the method, unit will remain same. See, in FIFO also we have 1000 units. In LIFO also we have total 1000 units. So फिर से एक बार repeat कर रहा हूँ कि these methods are not to decide how much closing stock unit will be remain. Closing stock unit we can find out our simple calculation. For that we don't need this type of big register and ledgers. So these two methods are deciding which purchase price will be part of closing stock. In FIFO, latest purchase price will be part of 1000, and in LIFO, old price is part of the closing stock. This is the only difference between these two. Units will remain same, price will differ. And one more question, guys. Somebody was asking me in a question, sir, if we want to find out cost of issue, then if you just make total of this issue column, okay, issue column amount, if you make a total of this column, amount column, 25,000 plus 12,000 plus 16,500 plus 5500 plus 23,500. This is total is called COS, cost of issue, or you can say cost of goods sold, COGS. Okay, cost of issue or cost of goods sold. If you make a total of issue amount column. Okay, guys. After this two method, the next method is simple average method. Simple average method. Now, what this method about? As you can understand, simple average price computing value of inventory is very simple approach. All the different prices are added and divided by number of prices, all different prices. So if you see our prices here, guys, in the last question what we did, we have 5 prices, 50, 55, one more 55, 60 and 47, right? So in a simple average, add all this, divided by 5, simple, because we have 5 purchases. So our average rate is 53.4. Our average rate is 53.4, and I told you units will remain same. Units will remain same. 1000. So 1000 into this rate. So this is our closing stock as per the simple average method. This is our closing stock as per the simple average method. Very simple, very simple. कभी नहीं पूछेंगे आपको एग्जाम में, just for the knowledge purpose. Simple average. Yes, Pranita, you can do this. Thank you, Zeba. In exam, they will tell you which method to be used. Don't worry. Company follows always average method generally because they use softwares. Simple, guys. Can we go further, guys? And now a more interesting method is fourth one, weighted average price method. Weighted average price method. Now, guys, what is the limitation of this simple average method? See, in this simple average method, we have made the average of only prices. We have not considered the units. But here, friend, here, quantities are ignored. But in this method, quantities are taken into consideration. So under a weighted average method, we have to find out total cost divided by total quantity. Total cost divided by total quantity. So the minus point of simple average method has been done away in a weighted average method. Now, how we will find out the average? We will do total units. We will do total cost divided by total units. And the same question which we did with FIFO, which we did with LIFO, now we are doing with weighted average. Now we are doing with weighted average. So guys, in a weighted average, there is only one small difference. One small difference. Which I have written over here, guys. At the time of every purchase, new weighted average rate should be found out, and the same is used for next issue price. At the time of every purchase, at the time of every purchase, at the time of every purchase, we have to find out new rate, and this new rate will be used in a issue as the issue price. So guys, we are doing the same question which we did with FIFO, which we did with LIFO. Now we are doing with a weighted average. Prepare the same format, guys. Please be fast, giving you only 1 minute. Prepare the same format, friends. Prepare the same format. Nital, for this you just mail me. Right? For this, you just mail me or connect to me on my social media. Then we can interact, right? Can we start, guys? Prakash, it is first in, first out, and last in, last out. Okay. First in, first out, last in, first out. LIFO and FIFO. Shall we start, friends? Okay. The first is my purchase. See, I am just making copy paste here because purchase is there. 4 by 12. 4 by 12. First purchase 4 by 12. My first purchase 4 by 12. Now guys, see, once again I can say easily till this it will remain same guys, because only one lot, as you know. Till this point it will remain same because only one lot is there, right? Till this point it will remain same because only one lot is there. Okay, only one lot is there, so till this point everything is same. Ananya, I will share it last, don't worry. Yes, Mohammed, definitely you can. It's with my name only. Yes. Okay. Now, friend, after 4 and 5, there is a purchase. Okay. 10th purchase. Okay. It's a purchase, guys. 10th we purchase. Okay. Now the important point, guys. Now the important point. Now we need to find out average cost. Okay. Now we need to find out average cost. Now please concentrate, guys. Please concentrate. Please. What we are doing, quantity plus quantity. Quantity plus quantity. That is 800, guys. And cost plus cost. So my friend, quantity plus quantity and cost plus cost. Quantity plus quantity and cost plus cost. And then 42,000 divided by 800. That is 52.5. Clear, friend? Quantity plus quantity, cost plus cost, and then total cost divided by total units equals to weighted average rate. I hope it is clear. Clear, friends? Right? So I told you guys, that at a time of every purchase, the rate will change. At a time of every purchase, the rate will change. Okay. Now let's go further, friend, without wasting time. Okay. So now I am making everything in a normal color. Fine. After 10th, what is the next one? 11. One more purchase. 11. One more purchase. Okay. Same story, guys. Units plus units. 1100. Cost plus cost. Five 500. And therefore there will be new rate. Clear, friend? Then guys, simple. So I am making everything in the same color now for a better understanding. What is after 11? After 11, one more purchase, 19. One more purchase, 19. 19. Okay. So same rule will apply. Quantity plus quantity, cost plus cost, and then new rate. So can you tell me, guys, what will be new rate now? What will be new rate now? वरुण नहीं पूछते हैं और वो easy है. You can do at your own, dear. For that, you don't need any more understanding. It's very simple. Yes, guys. What will be new rate now? What will be the new rate now? क्या बात है. Very nice. बहुत बढ़िया. Everyone is correct. So 1100 plus 200, that is 1300. 58,200 plus 12,000, 70500. That is 54.23. Perfect. Now after 19, friend, on 20 we are issuing 600 units, right? On 20 we are issuing 600 units, but we have only one lot, guys, right? $600 from the same rate. Same rate, 54.23. And therefore, remaining will be 700. Rate will remain same. Rate will remain same. Like this, guys. Okay. After 20, 28, we have purchased. So tell me, guys, what will be the new rate? What will be the new rate? Yes, 50.37. So 1500 will be our units. 1500 will be our units. Cost will be 75562. 75562. Yes, perfect. And 50.37. Okay, and the last one, 29 by 12. We are issuing 500 units. From the same rate. We will issue with the same rate, guys. 50.37. So 1000 will be remaining. Clear, friends? Thank you, Arun. Thank you, dear. Yes, Harshdeep. Quantity will remain same, but because rates are differ, value will be differ. Yes. And see, in module, they have written 50377. Okay, in module, they have written 50377. How it is? Then they have done from this minus this. Okay, they have done this. 75562 minus 25185. Okay, there is no difference at all. Don't worry. If you write anything, answer, then you will get the marks. But just clarified how it is. Don't worry about the small fractions. Thank you, Isha. Thank you, Asga. Thank you, Ashdip. Don't ask me the small point of 1 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. It's okay. Institute does not see, किसी ने 5 लिखा, किसी ने 3 लिखा, किसी ने 2 लिखा. Doesn't make any sense, friend. In depreciation also, some students were asking, sir, there is a difference of 10 rupees, there is a difference of 5 rupees. Guys, be grown up. Institute does not want कि आपका 1 rupees का 5 rupees का difference नहीं आना चाहिए. ICI wants the concept clarity and presentation, nothing else. So forget about that 5-10 rupees. Okay, don't worry about that. Don't worry at all. Clear, guys? So can we go further, friends? Manvi, you are asking the same thing 100 times. Dear, there is only one question. 2, 3, 5 छोड़ो ये सब यार. आप 2, 3, 5, 7 छोड़ो. There is only one question which we did by FIFO, LIFO and weighted average. Now number से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा dear? 1 लिखूं, 3 लिखूं, 5 लिखूं. You concentrate on the concept, dear. सर आपने 1, 3 लिखा, 3, 5 लिखा. अरे my dear, there is only one question which we did by all 3 methods. Go by this concept. 1, 3, 5 seconds से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay, there is only one question which we did by all 3 methods rather than all 4 methods. Okay. Yes, guys. My humble request, guys, you come out of this school mentality, right? Come out from the school mentality and be in a professional way now, little bit, right? I don't say drastic change आना चाहिए, थोड़ा बहुत स्कूल की मेंटालिटी से निकल जाओ and be like a practical. Okay, numbering 1 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, double line, single line, total. ठीक है, fine. You understand the concept. Okay, don't waste your energy and time of my as well as yours in the small equation which doesn't have relevance on the marks, right? I hope now it is clear. In all method, units will remain same, but value will differ. You can see all these 4 answers, right? Okay, guys. And now if you can see the module, these 4 methods, what we did is a historical method. Now, next is a non-historical method. Now, what is the meaning of non-historical method? That we will not consider the prices. In the non-historical method, we will not consider the prices. मतलब we will not consider the purchase price. जो भी था ना, ये 55, 50, 60, वो सब prices अब consider नहीं करेंगे. So we will go by next method, which is called adjusted selling price method. Adjusted selling price method, right? What this method is? This method is also known as retail inventory method. Retail inventory method. And now, guys, in this method, we have to find out GP percentage, GP ratio, and all that. Now, you can read this paragraph afterwards, but in this method, there is 4 important points. In a adjusted selling price method, there is 4 important points which I am sharing. Okay, which I am sharing. Now, friend, adjusted selling price method. Okay. The first point, read very carefully, guys. Read very carefully. Read very carefully. In this method, inventory is already given in question. Yes. See, guys, मैं हमेशा ऐसा मानता हूं कि हम सम कर लेंगे, मैं आपको सम सिखा दूंगा, you will understand sum, process, chart, blah blah. Okay, answer. Believe me, friend, believe me, if I don't write these points, सही बोलता हूं friend एकदम, if I don't write these 4 points and I simply say you have to find out GP percentage and you have to minus GP from the closing stock, you will get the answer. You will get the answer. Simple to understand. But even after doing the question, you will not able to find out what is logically difference between these two. That's why the first point in this method, inventory is already given in question. Remember, guys, in previous 4 methods, we find out the closing stock, right? We find out the closing stock, but in this method, inventory will be already given in a question itself. Then, sir, what is the meaning of this method? The chapter name is inventory. We have to find out inventory. Inventory will be given in question itself. Then, sir, why we are doing the exercise? Why? लिखा है आगे. But it is given at selling price. But it is given at selling price. And closing stock can never be at selling price. We have to find out the gross profit. We have to find out the cost price. And therefore, लिखा है मैंने, therefore we have to reduce profit percentage from this value to find out the inventory at the cost price. So closing stock will be given in question, but it will be given at the selling price. So from that sales value of closing stock, we have to minus GP. So we'll get closing stock at cost price. So from this slide only you can understand, sir, we need to find out GP percentage because we have to minus this GP percentage from the closing stock because closing stock is given at selling price. We need at the cost price. So from the given closing stock, which is given at sales value, we have to minus GP and therefore we need to find out GP percentage. We need to find out GP percentage. How? Second slide. First of all, prepare trading account or similar statement. Find out GP. How to find out GP, you know very well. Then GP divided by. Now, guys, this is the important point. This is the important point, guys. Be concentrate. GP should be divided by not sale, but GP will be divided by sale plus closing stock. GP will not be divided by sale, but GP will be divided by sale plus closing stock. So GP plus total of these two will give you GP percentage. And this GP percentage will be reduced from the inventory, which will give us cost price. Inventory at cost price. So we have to prepare trading account or a statement. We have to find out the profit. GP upon sale plus closing stock into 100, which will give you GP percentage, and closing stock minus GP percentage will be our closing stock at cost price. Closing stock at cost price. Closing stock at cost price. Okay. And now we are concluding a small question, and then we will conclude the session also. We will do a small illustration number 6, guys. Please read it, guys. Giving you only 2 minutes to read the question, and then we'll conclude the question in 5 minutes and session in 7 to 8 minutes. Please read the question first, guys. Please read the question, then we'll go to answer. Thank you, Ekta. So guys, read the question, guys, so that we can conclude the question. Okay. So guys, this is goods received from supplier. So this is my purchase. Okay, this is my purchase. But I got discount. So I have to minus from purchase. Sales tax, madam GST, I have to add in my purchase cost. This is my packing and transportation charges. I have to debit in trading account. Sales, I have to credit in trading account. And selling price of closing stock, I should credit in trading account. Okay. So guys, first let's prepare a simple trading account. Let's prepare simple trading account. Yes, guys. Let's prepare simple trading account. Be fast, guys. Be fast. Okay, please be fast. Tanmoy, it is simple average means whatever 5 prices we have, you can refer the module. 5 prices divided by 5. 50, 55, 55, 60, 47, whatever. Divided by 5. So you will get average rate and that average rate into 1000. It's a simple average. It's very simple. You can get from the module. यस सौरभ, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट एक ही होता है. 11, 12 फाउंडेशन सब एक ही प्रकार का ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट होता है. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डजंट हैव चेंज इफ यू इन स्कूल और इफ यू इन फाउंडेशन. इट्स सेम. यस डियर, सेम. Asga, our four methods which we understood first, FIFO, LIFO, simple weighted, these are historical method, and this what we are doing at present, it is a non-historical method. Okay guys, now without wasting time, let's start with the purchase. Now if you see the question, friend, if you see the question, 1575,500 is my basic purchase minus 3% discount plus 1% GST plus 1% GST. Right guys? And plus you can say expenses. How much expenses are there? 87,500. So this is your complete purchase, friend. This is your complete purchase. So guys, this is your complete purchase. 1783841. Purchase minus discount plus VAT plus expenses. So this is your complete purchase, including all. Including all. Then sales and closing stock. It is already given in question, guys. Sales and closing stock already given in question. So total will be like this. By GP, guys. Simple, guys. Simple. But we need GP percentage, guys. But we need GP percentage. GP divided by okay, remember you should divide by total of this. Okay, total of this. So guys, how much GP percentage will be? It will be 28.09. Got it, friend? Till this point, got it, guys? Yes? Till this point, it's okay? It is 11. Don't worry. It's a small written 11%. It's 11%. It's 11, yes. So this percentage is clear, guys? Simple? Now, after this percentage, okay, what we are supposed to do? Sir, we got GP percentage 28.09%. Okay, koi baat nahi. So we have to reduce from this closing stock. From this 235 minus this percentage, like this, guys. Okay. So closing stock minus GP percentage, this is known as closing stock at cost price, right, guys? This is known as closing stock at cost price. Then, guys, so this is final answer. This is final answer. And somebody asking my email ID. This is my email ID, guys. My name and then Gmail. Not compulsory. You can prepare a statement. I have prepared trading account just to make it easy. You can prepare a statement. Answer should be like this. ईशा लिखा हुआ है, चेक करो आप. जीपी कहां से आया ईशा, ऐसा पूछ रहे हो आप? क्रेडिट साइड माइनस डेबिट साइड, जीपी वहां से आता है डियर. इन ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट जीपी कहां से आता है? टोटल ऑफ क्रेडिट माइनस डेबिट, तो जीपी वहीं से आएगा ना डियर. टोटल ऑफ क्रेडिट माइनस डेबिट करो आप, आ जाएगा. टोटल ऑफ क्रेडिट माइनस डेबिट, you will get GP, right? Okay, guys, so we have to conclude here, guys. I hope session is clear. Session is okay with you. You understood what I taught. And for anything, you can mail me. Right, guys? Be in touch on mail or any social media. Till that, do study, keep studying, and we'll meet you on Saturday. We'll meet you on Saturday, same time. On Saturday, we will complete this chapter. On Saturday, we will complete this chapter, and if time permits, we will start bank reconciliation statement. So on Saturday, we will complete this chapter, and if time permits, we will start bank reconciliation statement. Till that, this is CA Dr. Mihir Pujara signing off, guys. Keep smiling, spread smiling, do study well. Goodbye. Have a nice time.